Hey, what's up, Fit Crew? I'm Getty, and welcome to the Kettlebell Plan. This is more than just lifting weights. It's your key to unlocking the benefits of kettlebell training. In this 4-week program, our focus is simple: to teach you how to flawlessly execute a variety of kettlebell exercises, to give you the tools to effectively train for improved strength and conditioning, and to level up one swing at a time. So what can you expect? Over the next 4 weeks, we'll be introducing you to 13 swing variations, kettlebell cleans, and the infamous Turkish get-up. That's 5 workouts per week, 4 tailored kettlebell workouts comprising of 2 strength-focused sessions to break down each movement, plus a Metcon and an endure class.
Nice and steady.
Followed by a much-deserved recovery session to stretch it all out. There's a lot of work here, but by the end of this plan, you can expect to notice enhanced full-body strength and power.
Come on.
You'll improve coordination, mobility, and balance whilst moving external load. Sounds fun? Let's break it all down for you. Week 1, we'll be laying the foundations. Week 2, we'll be building on those skills with some power drills. Week 3, we'll be turning up that heat. And then week 4, the grand finale where it all comes together. You'll be seamlessly performing kettlebell complexes and flows. It'll be like dancing with that kettlebell. So that's it, our kettlebell training plan. Now you know what you're in for. Let's swing into action, learn some new skills, and I will see you on the other side.